Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and do you remember me talking to you about the SURFR music app? Well, it's been improved. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so maybe you remember me talking about the SURFR music app, which you can see over here. Now, SURFR Music is a music streaming service available on iOS and Android devices and is completely free, requires no sign up, no setup, no fees, just pure streaming from live radio stations and streaming stations from around the world. Now you can choose whichever category you want, so 80s, 90s, pop, hits, whatever it may be, the choice is entirely yours. But a lot of people have said to me, well Mike, that's great, but I don't have an Android device or I don't have an iOS device. Well, it's now been updated, and like D. Ream said in the 90s, things can only get better, and the SURFR app certainly has. Now, the app is now available on the web. So just go to www.surfr.fm and you can click on the link at the bottom to listen now. You get the same great choices from all the musical genres, but you get it in the convenience of being on your desktop computer or PC, tablet, Mac, whatever it may be. As long as it's got a web browser, you can access it. Also, coming up, there is an update to the app, and also there is going to be a new app for Android TV and coming soon for Fire TV and Fire Stick. So you can access the SURFR music streaming app on your devices in the comfort of your armchair or wherever you access your media content. So I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. This has been the updated SURFR FM app, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.